Hey everyone! The Honor MagicPad 4 arrives as one of the most ambitious Android tablets of 2026, officially showcased ahead of its global unveiling at Mobile World Congress 2026. With this release, Honor is not just iterating on its tablet lineup, but redefining expectations around design, display technology, and flagship-level performance in an ultra-slim form factor. At just 4.8 millimeters thick, the MagicPad 4 is positioned as the thinnest tablet in the world, a claim that immediately sets it apart in a highly competitive market. The slim chassis enhances its premium appeal, making it exceptionally comfortable to hold for long reading sessions, extended streaming, or productivity tasks. The display is undoubtedly one of the tablet's most compelling attributes. The 12.3-inch panel delivers a resolution of 3000 by 1920 pixels, producing crisp visuals with excellent clarity and sharp text rendering. Colors are vibrant and deeply saturated, benefiting from OLED's inherent contrast advantages. What truly elevates the experience, however, is the peak HDR brightness of 2400 nits. Under the hood, the MagicPad 4 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, placing it firmly in flagship territory. Paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM and as much as 512 gigs of internal storage, the tablet is more than capable of handling demanding multitasking, high-end mobile gaming, creative applications, and productivity workflows. Software plays a crucial role in shaping the experience. The tablet runs Magic OS X based on Android 16, delivering a modern interface with enhanced multitasking features. Honor's PC mode stands out for users who prioritize productivity, transforming the interface into a desktop-like environment with resizable windows and improved app management. Battery life remains impressive considering the slim build. The 10,100 mAh battery provides enough capacity to comfortably power through a full workday or extended entertainment sessions. When it's time to recharge, 66-watt fast charging significantly reduces downtime. The camera setup is functional rather than groundbreaking, which is typical for tablets in this class. The rear 13-megapixel autofocus camera is sufficient for scanning documents or occasional photography, while the 9-megapixel front-facing sensor is optimized for video conferencing and online meetings. Connectivity is thoroughly modern. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7, while Bluetooth 6.0 provides compatibility with advanced audio codecs for high-quality wireless sound. Available in white and gray finishes, the MagicPad 4 embraces a minimalist aesthetic that complements its ultra-thin silhouette. Overall, the Honor MagicPad 4 feels like a bold statement. By combining a record-breaking slim profile, a stunning high-brightness display, top-tier Snapdragon performance, and meaningful productivity enhancements, Honor has crafted a tablet that targets both entertainment enthusiasts and serious productivity users. It stands as one of the most technically refined Android tablets introduced in 2026, blending elegance with genuine flagship capability. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.